Hi guys, welcome to today's video for the Beauty of Christmas series that I'm doing in the month of December. So for today's video, we are actually going to be doing an inspired makeup look. So we're going to do a Rebecca Ferguson inspired makeup look. So you can find all of my videos that I'm going to be doing in the month of December in the description and in the cards above. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. So my foundation is on, and now I'm going to use my Maybelline Brow Precise eyebrow pencil, kind of like a circle, kind of. And then just outline my brows. I'm using the Be the Game Changer palette from Makeup Obsession. First, we're going to apply the NARS eyeshadow in the color Baby Girl. So I'm just going to use this one from Old Fashioned. I'm just going to take that shade and apply that to the eyelid. Now I'm going to go into Be the Game Changer palette, and we're going to take the color Zinger, which is that one right there. So this color is actually way too pink, so I'm going to add the color Hot Stuff into it, just to kind of deepen the color up. Now I'm going to go in with my Rimmel Scandal Eyes Precision Micro Eyeliner, and I think she, in the picture that I have, it's like starts from the pupil and then works out and then kind of just a little wing, so that's what we're going to try to do. I'll start from right there. And I just curled my lashes. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline, the Falsies Lash Lift. So, for the character that Rebecca Ferguson plays in The Greatest Showman, in this picture that I have, she has a very rosy blush. So I'm going to go into LA Girl Glow Palette. I'm going to take this shade here. I'm going to go in with my Sonia Kaka. Just put that on the apples of my cheeks. And go in with my Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour Lip. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow. Bye!